Family Entertainment brings a new update. Lowest temperature in UAE, chilly 4.3 degrees Celsius recorded in Jebel Jais mountain. Despite pleasant temperatures throughout the day in many areas, the weather is expected to become humid by nightfall. Temperatures dropped to a chilly 4.3 degrees Celsius early Tuesday on Jebel Jais, the highest peak in the UAE, the National Center of Meteorology said. Recorded at 3:15 a.m., it was the lowest temperature over the country this morning. In its daily weather bulletin, the NCM expected cooler conditions to continue in the country. Despite pleasant temperatures throughout the day in many areas, the weather is expected to become humid by nightfall, continuing into Wednesday morning, it added. This rise in humidity could result in mist formation, especially over some internal regions. Mercury can rise to a high of a comfortable 29 degrees Celsius in internal areas. Dr. Ahmed Habib. Starting from December 16th, the region will experience northwesterly winds accompanied by cooler air masses, leading to a gradual temperature decrease. Temperatures across the UAE are expected to drop by 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, beginning in the western areas and gradually extending to the rest of the country. When does winter begin? Winter officially begins in the UAE on December 22nd. Over the past 30 years, the country's coldest period has been 3 days, from January 16th to 18th. According to the traditional Arabian Gulf calendar, the winter season is divided into two main periods, Arba in Al-Maray and Arba in Al-Akrabi, each lasting 40 days. Arba in Al-Maray starts around December 28th, marked by intense cold and rainfall. The winter season in the UAE begins on December 22nd, and temperatures will gradually decrease throughout December and January. However, this can vary depending on the atmospheric conditions, such as the direction and nature of the incoming air mass. Cold air masses, particularly at night, will affect the interior regions of the country. The veteran weatherman mentioned that approximately 2 to 3 years ago, the center experienced dry winters similar to the 2023 to 2024 season, particularly in 2001. He explained that rainfall during that time was minimal, with rain occurring infrequently. Rainfall during this period is influenced by several factors. While the winter season generally brings a higher chance of rain, the actual occurrence depends on the specific atmospheric conditions at the time.